most requested video on my channel yet. So as you guys know, Harry Met Sejal is releasing very soon, and I asked on Instagram what kind of video you guys want to see related to that, and everyone said that they wanted to see a video about how Mohak met Sejal. So
Interesting topic.
Mohak, it is an interesting topic.
Ongoing,
Okay?
I must say.
It is. So to make it a little bit interesting, we've come to our college where the whole thing started to tell you guys how it happened. So let's go.
Let's go.
So this is what happened in first year. This is the first time we ever spoke, Mohak. What
Yep.
happened?
I remember you coming out of your audition, and I was supposed to be the nice guy who was supposed to talk to the juniors and make them feel comfortable.
Basically, he had no work to do, and he was.
I did have work to do. I just was being a nice guy.
So I want to give you guys a little bit of overview. So both of us are from SRCC,
Yes.
and he's 1 year senior to me. And in my first year, you have to audition for lots of societies. So I auditioned for the Dramatic Society, and he was a senior in the society,
Yep.
and he was conducting the auditions. And
because that's what we're supposed to do as seniors for the juniors.
this is where the auditions happened. And I remember I walked out right after my audition, and he was there, and we had our first conversation there, which was about the common friend, right?
Yes.
We had one common friend. It was the lamest conversation ever.
It was something, at least it was a starter.
Okay, so after that, I think the next moment we had was when you were being really mean. Let me show you where.
Hi, Sejal, are you ready for your interview?
So this was the second time we spoke in my first year.
Yes, and this was when all the interviews for the Traveller Society had already taken place, but someone wanted a backdoor entry.
Oh, please, backdoor. 1 second, let me explain. So there is a society called the Traveller Society in my college, and
Which is
Mohak.
a damn cool society.
Yeah, it's a cool society, but Mohak WhatsApped me like a cheapo and asked me, hey Sejal, do you want to be a part of the society when all the auditions and interviews were done?
What bullshit, dude.
It's not bullshit.
I remember clearly someone telling me that Sejal wants to get into the society, so I was like, no,
So message to
that
तूने
cannot
किया
happen
ना?
without a fair interview.
Oh, and just to show that he is a cool senior of the college, he called me to this exact area for the interview and made me wait for 20 minutes while he was just chilling right outside college.
I was sitting right there having my Maggie waiting
Liar.
for you first.
Liar.
Either ways.
And-
I wasn't. I was being nice enough to give her the chance to get into my society. I mean, you should be grateful for that.
So, but anyway, these were the only 2 times that we spoke in my entire first year.
Yeah.
And I think what happened next was in second year, which is very sad. For in entire 1 year, we didn't speak. So this is what happened in second year.
Sejal,
Huh?
just wanted to ask you one thing. Why are you supporting the other side again?
You can't ask me such questions, okay? I can do whatever I want.
So rude, dude.
You're so rude.
You
You
are-
were not this nice to me. This is a lie.
You were always that rude, dude. Every
No.
time we had a conversation, you were either rude or just not having a conversation at all.
Some context. So this is in my second year and
My
his
third year.
Third year. So Mohak was campaigning to be the vice president of the college, which he eventually did become. And I
Good
was
for me.
And I was supporting not supporting really. I was just.
She was supporting the other side, and that's why I asked her that question.
Mohak, who has never spoken to me only twice before in my life, sits
This
like
person,
a king.
this person.
No, wait, let me complete.
Okay, go ahead.
So sits like a king and asked me out of nowhere. I'm just walking around in college randomly and asked me, "Hey Sejal, why are you supporting the other side?" Ugh.
Okay, I'll tell you exactly how it happened. I basically asked you why you're supporting the other side because I really wanted to know, because she is one person who would never come to college, and when she did, she was campaigning for the other side, so that did not feel nice.
And so this is the kind of impression I had of Mohak, that he's really he thinks too high of himself. and
Well,
he's
guess
too
what?
cool.
You always portrayed yourself to be an elitist.
Oh my God. I am so
She
not
is to some extent.
No, I'm not an elitist, okay?
Yes, you are.
And after this, we didn't speak for the entire year.
Yes,
Till
obviously.
towards
Because I won and I had no reason to speak to these juniors anymore.
oh, these juniors. The next time we spoke was towards the end of second year. Oh, Mohak, so this was where you did the business conclave thing, remember?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, yes, you did.
I was just playing a game.
What game were you playing?
So I was with Kshitij, my junior, and we were both chucking balls at a poster of Smriti Irani because we had this conclave where she was invited. So there was a huge ass poster here of her, and we were supposed to aim for her face.
And this is, mind you, after Mohak was the vice president of the college.
But that's okay. We had the liberty to do whatever we felt like because it was our fest.
कर लिया शो कर लिया समझ गए हम तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है समझ आ गया okay. So this huge event that happens in our college, it's called Business Conclave, and that year even I had a post. Okay, I was an event head.
We gave you that post.
Shut up, Mohak. And I was just standing in the corner talking to one of my friends, and I see Mohak throwing balls at a huge poster of Smriti Irani. So I thought, oh my god, like this guy is really weird and he's very crazy. And also my friend told
Crazy I am. You're right.
And also my friend told me that Mohak is talking about you and he wants to talk to you. And I thought that was very
Okay, now that's enough. That's a lie. Slander. Slander.
कोई slander नहीं है. I went quietly and I asked Mohak, what are you guys doing? And then he said, oh, we're actually aiming for her face. And I was just like, cool, okay. And then I walked off.
Yeah, because that's the best thing to do for you. You had nothing else to talk about. You just randomly were being chaped.
ठीक है यार हम समझ गए तू cool है तू है cool. Okay. So Mohak, tell us what happened next. What did you do on Facebook?
What did I do on Facebook, dude? You were the one who commented on my picture and started being chaped all over again.
So the same day when I saw Mohak throwing balls on the wall, he was getting this photo shoot done with all of his other friends. They uploaded a really nice picture on YouTube.
Yep.
YouTube, Facebook.
Facebook, yeah, Yadu and I.
And I thought the picture was so stunning. I just commented on it.
Brilliant.
Oh, really great picture. I'm gonna put a screenshot. Really great picture. Who took it? And then he replied, "Bata."
So I told her that there's this guy who's very good at photography. He's in fact clicked some candid shots of you as well.
No.
I might
No. He replied saying, okay, this guy took it, great. And then 5 seconds later, I get an inbox message from him sending me a picture of myself. So Mohak sent me a picture of me.
Oh yeah, I did send her that picture afterwards.
And he said, oh, thought you wanted to see more work of the photographer. Shape.
I don't really think so.
We chatted for quite some time, almost the entire night, and he cheekily asked for my number as well.
Oh, I'm the cheeky one here. We talked all night. It was so nice.
We used to talk quite a lot after that as well, almost every day. And the weirdest thing is that Mohak would avoid me in college. Like he would get really embarrassed. I remember having a normal conversation with my friends, and I just called Mohak. He was just standing around. I was like, Mohak, hey, and he got so awkward. He was like, hey.
Maybe I was preoccupied with something very.
ऐसे तो preoccupied होते हैं लोग, hey.
मैं कर रहा होता तो यहाँ बैठा हुआ नहीं होता, ठीक है?
So the biggest fest of our college was in the next 2 days called Crossroads. Crossroads is a really fun time in college. I was the best. So I had plans to stay in the college PGs here in North Campus for the next 4 days. And I was very excited, and we made really fun plans about what we should do on the first day of Crossroads.
Yep.
So I'm going to tell you more where it happened.
Last तक I was clueless. क्या?
मोक तेरा घर कहाँ था?
पेड़ के पीछे.
अच्छा. Oh my god.
Okay.
So cute.
Do we have any food?
So we're in Old Gupta colony right now, which is a colony where a lot of flats and PGs are. And the reason I'm here is because on the first night of Crossroads, which is where we were in the last clip, Mohak and I made some really crazy plans. We had this thing of doing crazy things, and then we decided that we would go out on a scooty and explore all of Delhi, go to India Gate. It was a very adventurous and ambitious plan. And all throughout the first day of Crossroads, we didn't really speak because he was doing his own vice president duties. I was just having fun. He just sent me one text message at night at 8 o'clock or something saying that is the plan on, and I also asked him, yeah, it's on. I was waiting for his text throughout, and I went to one of my friend's PGs, which is in this area, to wait for his text to come. Now that was a horrible time because he was not replying to my text, and I was just getting so anxious that when will he come to pick me up? And the PG had a deadline of 10 PM, so I had to either get out of the PG by 10 PM or just stay there all night. So I made some excuse to the PG warden and got out of the PG before 10, and Mr. Mohak Popola came happily at 11. So I was stuck for an hour, and the PG warden found me waiting, and I literally just ran out of the PG, and this happened. So right when our scooty trip started, before we actually went down on the main highway, our scooty broke down at this exact spot, and that's why we're here. Mohak even lost the keys over there of the scooty, so it was quite a struggle.
We may have lost the keys, but we found them. They were in my bag.
Yeah,
Also-
typical. When we were roaming around, we took the scooty to India Gate. We went to visit my friend who lives in Central Delhi. We were on the highway. We also stopped in the middle and did like how it's in the movies where they see those things.
Those little things, you have that IP sort of thing, and you look into it and you find like
The
random
pictures?
posters of really old Bollywood
Yeah,
actors.
so that old-fashioned movie viewing kind of thing. So we did all the filmy things, and we didn't intend on it being filmy at all. But somehow it became like that. We were singing songs and we were singing random things while we were on.
Dil
scooty.
chahta hai.
Dil chahta hai. When that was done, we drove back to North Campus, and we wanted to find a place to just relax and chill at.
Yeah.
So Mohak came up.
Relax and chillax. Nice one, nice
Shut
one.
up. So Mohak had the brilliant idea of going to some random person's flat, sneaking into their
Hey,
terrace.
Jal, why don't you remember stuff? I knew those guys. There were 6 of them living in a flat. I knew all 6 of them. They were my college buddies.
I think we should take them there. What do you think?
Oh, let's go.
We've come to the exact flat we were chilling at. We went to the terrace, and now we actually have to sneak in. So let's do this. वैसे आजकल कौन रह रहा है यहाँ पे?
My juniors, they told me that
बड़े लोग.
some of their own juniors are staying here
इससे
right now.
VP को सब पता होता है. बहुत सारी सीढ़ी है. It's not locked.
That is where we sat. It rained. No, it wasn't even raining properly. It was drizzling.
Drizzling. So now this is nostalgic. Like I'm actually feeling nostalgic. Right? And we went straight and sat on that donkey, and that ladder is the exact thing that I climbed up with.
Sejal टूटने वाला है. Faster. You can see the whole of North Campus from here.
Oh my God.
How do you feel?
This is so cool. Like I actually feel really happy right now. It's been a while since we started reading. How do you feel?
Feels like I'm on the top of the world right now.
Yeah, can you stop being so cheesy and so
I am on the
funny?
top of the world. Just notice.
Guys, the view is crazy.
I'm not gonna sit down. It's too dusty.
So, yeah, Mo, can you not be so high? Look who's calling me elitist.
I'm
high
getting fans for
maintenance.
the first time in my life.
So
So you
मैंने
better
भी
respect that.
shots पहनी है अपनी favorite वाली. So this is the exact spot we sat at. We were facing this side as well, chilling.
That direction.
Oh no, this direction. It was this direction. मुझे याद है. And then guys, I swear I'm not exaggerating, but it started raining. It was so. So basically, that moment led to everything, and we kind of told each other we like each other and blah blah blah. After it started raining, right there, where we went back inside where we came from, and then that's how it happened. So that's the story, guys.
Yup, it was early in the morning then, and we had breakfast together, and then
We went home
yup.
after not sleeping an entire night. So that's it, guys, for the story. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys इतना तो बनता है subscribe,
Thumbs up.
give it a thumbs up, and go follow Mohak on Instagram. He posts some crazy pictures.
Yup.
And that's it, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
अच्छा अब हम नीचे कैसे उतरेंगे? मैं तो नहीं उतर पाऊंगी इस सीढ़ी से.